Alright guys, what's up? Welcome back. Today, they opened the bunker. Now, we're gonna see what's inside. Alright, let's go! So...
Let's go!
So if you jump down from the hole... I'm assuming you jump straight down.
Oh my god.
What is all this?
Bro, what were they doing?
What is
down here?
this?
God damn!
So is this like a secret tunnel? Is there gonna be money?
Secret tunnel. Secret tunnel.
Yo, this reminds me of that one show where you have to go through that time tunnel. Dude, what's over here? Keep jumping. What's that noise? Dude.
Through the bunker.
What is this? Dude, you have to continue jumping down. Dude, get to the bottom. Wait, is there... We have to go this way.
Bro, this place is a labyrinth.
I see why. I see why it took them so long to make this. I see why it took them so long to make this, don't you?
Yeah, all of these freaking cables, like, what were they doing down here? There's gotta be like a mech or something down here.
What is this?
It's the basement.
It's the Animal Company basement. What mobs are down here?
I have no clue, bro.
Bro, if I get jump scared, I'm leaving the Animal Company. Where do we go? I received a friend request from Mason. Where are you? I lost you. I lost you.
Bro, why is there so much noise over here?
I don't know. What are we supposed to do down here?
I don't know where we are anymore.
This is actually kind of pointless. Wait, there's something over here. What the fuck?
They're all connecting. Something.
Bro, what is this? Did we miss something?
Yeah, I think we had what missed.
Chat, we can't climb out. How do we get back home?
There's no like rift or anything.
Bro, Animal Company, what did you guys do? Chat, start mining the coils. They do nothing. Start mining the lines.
Wait, what's this big yellow core?
Dude! Ah!
Let's go.
There's even more! Bro, could you imagine playing hide and seek down here?
Yeah. No one.
No, what is this?
You'd lose each other forever.
No. Bro, what mobs are gonna lie down here?
I have no clue.
Why did you jump? You're not supposed to jump.
Oh wait, yes.
What is
yes,
this?
Yes. Jump.
Dude, there's a whole lava room down here.
Hell?
There's a volcano. What are those flying things?
They look like rocks.
Ah!
We're in the bunker.
What?
Bro, in the bunker.
Dude, we're in a bunker.
Oh god! No, do not do the floating thing.
thingy. What? Yes, mother.
Oh, here.
Dude.
I am not sticking around to find out what happens if I stay in the circle for too long.
Dude, what are we
I'm
supposed
just
to?
not
There's
finding
lava.
out.
The lava can rise. Dude, the lava can rise.
Bro, let's try going over here. Behind you.
Why? Code is DTT in Animal Company. We just... Yeah. Dude, what is all this? They opened the bunker. Dude, what's that bunker? There's another bunker piece right there. Dude. Dude.
Crane!
You have to go through the mines and stuff.
This is sick.
Chat, there's a whole maze to go through to get to this. We could barely find it ourselves. Chat, how do you climb up? Chat, I'm leaving my pick. Ah! It found me again. That thing found me again. That thing found me again. I forgot about this.
Run, 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 run.
Woo! I made it. What is this?
Left me.
What is this? What was that? Gorilla Boy. Gorilla Boy.
Yes?
Do you copy? What just happened? What just happened? I think Gorilla Boy left. I think Gorilla Boy left.
No, I didn't leave. The weird thing just fired at me.
I don't know.
Uh-oh.
I do not know how I survived.
Oh, what is this? Wait, can we mine this heart thing? Wait, don't get close to it. It's gonna try to pull you in. No, it's a spawn! It respawns you! That red heart is a teleporter. Dude, guys, you want me to bring you down there? There's also Valentine boxes.
Daniel, is it safe to go in?
Eat them. It's safe to go in. It's safe to go in the red heart.
Alright. Bro, what the freaking hell was that?